Located on Dorman, Cleveland, Texas, you can own this 0.29-acre lot for as little as $200 down. This beautiful property is minutes from both the Trinity River and Lake Livingston, where you can enjoy different water activities. The property is 29 miles to downtown Cleveland and 20 miles to Livingston. Electricity and water are provided in the neighborhood and will require installation. However, a septic is required and will need a permit from the Liberty County before installation. If you are looking for a place where you can place your RV, mobile home, or manufactured home, this is the perfect lot for you. Taxes on the property are $15 per year, and there are no POA fees. If you choose to own or finance, we prorate the taxes and include them in your monthly payment. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Liberty County, Texas. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.